God is one. Swami gave a beautiful explanation. He says, is there is two life in your body? No, there is only one life in the body. Likewise, there can be one God in this universe. Not two or three, not many. There is only one God to this whole universe. He explains this in a poem, beautifully in a poem. That poem's in the 6th chapter of Tiruruppa. So the Swami says, ஒன்றே சிவம் அதை ஒன்று சன்மார்க்கமும் ஒன்றே என்றீர் இங்கு வாரீர் நன்றே நின்றீர் இங்கு வாரீர். He says that God is one and the path to attain to Godhead is also one. That Sanmargam also one. Look at this word carefully. God is one and the path that to attain Godhead is also one. That is Sanmargam. ஒன்றே சிவம் அதை ஒன்று சன்மார்க்கமும் ஒன்றே என்றீர் வாரீர். என்றீர் வாரீர் means God is saying that, oh my boy, oh my child, there is only one God and the path to attain me also one. That is Sanmargam. So deign to come, my Lord. The Lord beyond is one. The Lord beyond is one. The real path, Sanmarga, that leads to the intimate experience of the Lord beyond is only one. Thou stand for eternal good forever. It's a beautiful poem where Swami explains that God is one and the path to attain Godhead is also one. And there is another poem. This is a very beautiful poem in 6th chapter of Tiruruppa where Swami says, தெய்வங்கள் பல பல சிந்தை செய்வாரும். Please carefully look into these words. Who knows Tamil? Then I will explain in English. தெய்வங்கள் பல பல சிந்தை செய்வாரும் சேர்கதி பல பல செப்புகின்றாரும் பொய் வந்த கலைப்பல புகண்டிடுவாரும் பொய் சமயாதியை மெச்சுகின்றாரும் மெய் வந்த திருவருள் விளக்கம் ஒன்றில்லார் மேல் விளைவு அறிகிலார் வீண் கழிக்கின்றார் எய் வந்த துன்பொழித்து அவர்க்கு அறிவு அருள்வீர் என்னை பள்ளி எழுப்பி மெய்யின்பம் தந்தீரே. Swami says, those who think that there are many gods and those who speak of many ways of reaching God and those who talk of several scriptures spawned of falsehood, those who admit all religions, they are people without enlightenment. By the holy grace, singing from truth, they do not know the consequences. They waste their lives. So those who think there are many gods, those who say there are many ways to attain God, and those who say there are many religions, many paths, many religions, and there are those who say there are many states, they are all speaking out of falsehood. They don't have proper enlightenment. Swami is saying they are wasting their lives. Even in great sermon, we call it as Perubudesam. Swami is starting his advice as இங்குள்ள எல்லவரும் நீங்கள் எல்லவரும் இதுவரைக்கும் இருந்தது போல் வீண் காலம் கழித்து கொண்டிராதீர்கள். Swami is saying that don't waste your time as you are wasting now. At least hereafter you don't waste your time as you are wasting your time now. Swami is saying that we are wasting our time because we don't know what is God, where He is, what is the state of God, what is the path to reach God, what is the real happiness, what is the real bliss. All those things we are not knowing, or we are not ready to seek after that. So we are wasting your life in the search of petty things of this world. So Swami is telling that please wake those people and gave your grace to them and make them to attain the path of Sanmargam so that they will all experience the real bliss. Sami is praying for us to the Lord head. So from this we can understand that God is one. We should not think that God is many. The supreme reality is unique and one. That we should be very clear in that.